Welcome back to another episode of SeedSpark Sessions. Of course, as always, we hope this one finds you well, and this entire month we're focusing on the value of social media in the world of business, because a lot of leaders for a variety of companies across nearly every industry may look at social media as something that might not be a necessity in terms of building their brand and sharing their voice online, but really it is a direct line of communication to not only your existing audience, but an entire new world of potential clients waiting to hear from you. As the digital transformation has begun to impact nearly every part of our lives, modern technology has had a profound impact on the world of communication itself. Whether it's between friends and family or between coworkers at work, the way we communicate has been driven forward by social media. Recent figures show that the average user spends over 2 hours per day on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. But why should your business use social media in 2020? In reality, a simpler question would be to ask why not. There are a variety of reasons that social media is a valuable investment that can have incredible ROI, but first and foremost is to expand brand recognition. Much like a digital billboard, social media is a tool allowing businesses to connect with people around the world in their everyday lives and in their usual viewing habits. By sharing industry insights, company achievements, and service information, a brand is being put out there into the world for discovery, and those who are already familiar with the company will follow to stay updated on the business and its employees, while those that may just be simply browsing their favorite subject may discover you and your business for the first time. Another big benefit is in becoming an industry leader. Corporate social media accounts are for much more than rehashing information available on the company website. Let's say, hypothetically, someone searched Concrete Company on Facebook. A company taking advantage of their social media reach would have a dynamic feed featuring blogs, industry news, company services, and project accomplishments that the team has completed in the past. All of these elements prove to the user that this company is packed with industry leaders who are in tune with the newest achievements and information, and they have previous experience to prove their worth and prove that knowledge is applicable in the field. Additionally, any company creates a community over time. As you serve more people and as more people become invested in your brand, it's always good to be able to connect with these people in their daily lives. So creating a community around the brand is an incredibly huge asset for the world of social media. When a company has a product or a service that is worth standing behind, people tend to gather around it. Think about your favorite fast food restaurant, for example. Why does that account have 4 million followers on social media? It's because a community of fans has developed around the brand online. No matter the size of your company, social media platforms are a camp for clients and fans to gather like groupies. Finally, let followers market for you. Marketing a business can be quite the task, and it can be an expensive one at that, but why not let it do itself? Generating a following and maintaining a presence on social media creates conversation around your business. You can invest millions of dollars in a marketing campaign, or you could spend a few minutes creating a tweet or a Facebook post that connects with an audience and has the potential to go viral if it is crafted in the right way. For some companies that hone in on top trends, the returns on engagement with a platform's online community can magnify your company's digital reach exponentially. The power of shares cannot be understated. People can work for you. What it comes down to is that by creating content for the online space, any company, regardless of its size or its industry, is able to reach more people than any billboard or mail campaign ever could. Tapping into the potential of social media is a must in 2020 and beyond. Otherwise, that additional exposure for your business, potentially reaching millions of people, is just being left on the table. Why pass up that opportunity? Of course, for those that want to learn more about the creative and marketing services that SeedSpark provides, we have a link down below showcasing our services and some of our past experience and success. We would love for you to check us out and get in touch. Thanks for taking time to check out this episode of SeedSpark Sessions. If you're new here and you enjoyed what you heard, be sure to subscribe on podcast services, or, of course, you can find the show on YouTube as well. Links to those pages and our social media channels will be down below, or you can always hit us up on the official SeedSpark website for more information on the topics we covered, or to learn more about the services we offer. But we look forward to seeing you on the next episode.